All right, today we are diving into some of the most important words in the English language. They might be small, but they are absolutely mighty. We're talking about conjunctions, the glue that holds all of our ideas together. Nailing these is going to make your writing so much clearer and way more powerful.
Just take a look at this. On the left, it's a little choppy, right? I like tea. I like coffee. Two separate thoughts. But on the right, I like tea and coffee. It's smooth, it's seamless. That one little word, and, changed everything. That right there is the magic of a conjunction.
So, here's our game plan. We'll start with the absolute basics. Then we'll get into the three main types of conjunctions. After that, we'll cover a few key rules you've got to remember, and then, the best part, you're going to get a chance to practice.
Okay, let's kick things off with the big question. What exactly is a conjunction?
Well, at its heart, it's a connector. It's a word whose whole job is to link different parts of your sentence together, whether that's single words, phrases, or even entire sentences. It's all about making your ideas flow.
And you don't just have one tool for this job. Nope. You've got three main types of conjunctions in your linguistic toolkit, and each one is perfect for a different kind of connection.
First up, let's talk about the most common ones you'll see: coordinating conjunctions. Their main gig is to connect two ideas that have, equal weight or importance.
And there's an awesome little trick to remember these guys. The acronym FANBOYS. Each letter stands for one of the 7 coordinating conjunctions. These are your go-to words for showing things like addition, contrast, a choice, or a result. Super handy.
Here's and doing what it does best, just adding things together. It connects two equal things, tea and coffee, into one nice, clean phrase. Simple as that. Now, what if your ideas clash a little? That's where but shines. He is rich and he is unhappy are two contrasting ideas, and but is the perfect word to bridge that gap, showing that one thing is true despite the other.
And this one is all about cause and effect. The cause? She studied hard. The effect? She passed. The conjunction, so, is that perfect little bridge that connects the action to its result.
Okay, so if the fanboys connect equal ideas, subordinating conjunctions are a little different. They connect a main idea, something that could be a sentence on its own, to a dependent idea that just adds extra information.
You use these all the time, probably without even thinking about it. Words like because, although, and when, they're the ones that add all that crucial detail about why or when something is happening. Check this out. I stayed home. That's a complete thought, right? It could be its own sentence. But because it was raining, that part needs the first half to make sense. It tells us why I stayed home, and because is the word that links them up. And here's a cool thing you can do.